Hi everyone. So here's a little lesson on vocabulary. These are things in your house. A sofa, a sofa. A table, a table. A chair, a chair. A light, a light. A microwave, a microwave. A toaster oven, a toaster oven. A pot, a pot. A frying pan, a frying pan. A pencil, a pencil. A pen, a pen. A carpet, a carpet. A toilet, a toilet. A desk, a desk. A computer, a computer. A TV, a TV. A smartphone, a smartphone. A door, a door. A window, a window. Curtains, curtains. A painting, a painting. Notice curtains is a little bit different. It's plural. In Japanese, people say fukusu. It's plural, so curtains. Now I will ask some questions. Is this a sofa or a chair? It's a chair. Is this a chair? Yes, it is. Is this a chair? No, it isn't. What is it? It's a table. Thank you for watching. I hope you got that. Please watch it a few times to get this into your head.